back to my channel. I am Brooklyn Therese, and today we're doing a get ready with me. Me and one of my friends are going to a church conference tonight, so I wanted something real light and subtle. So I'm going to show you guys how I achieved this look. We're going to have chit chat talk about where I've been, what I'm excited for, and I would love to hear what you guys are excited for the next 6 months that we have left in 2019. Let me know how I did on this look, y'all, because do this look like I'm going to church? Because yeah, I don't know. I feel like it looks like I'm going to church. So feel free to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell. Make sure your post notifications are on. That way you know every single time that I will post. And we gonna be lit. So hopefully y'all stay around while we get lit. Okay? Hey. So we're gonna work on being more consistent. I plan on putting out better content, consistent content. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna get this video started. I'm gonna show y'all how to do my makeup, so we're gonna do some makeup. Hopefully I don't go overboard with the makeup. We're just gonna get started on what I did today. So today I had some errands to run. I had to go get an MRI done, and I went and do my nails. My favorite color is purple, so that's what I did today. And now I'm about to get ready for church. Where have I been? I have been getting myself together. You feel me? Mentally, physically, we've been working out, trying to get this body snatched. So, I have been working out. I have been going to church. I have been trying to get mentally prepared for the semester. Okay. Let me get these eyebrows together, and then we're going to come back because I can't talk and do my eyebrows. So I have my eyebrows on. Now I'm gonna conceal my eyebrows. So I do use a lighter concealer. I use a Grwm+London lightweight medium coverage concealer in the color 200 light, and I'm gonna use that to conceal under my eyes. And then on top of my eyebrow, I use a LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Cool Tan. It's gonna go on top. And for my brows, I did use Anastasia Dip Brow in the color Chocolate. Another thing that people have been asking me is if I am still going natural with my hair. Yes, my hair is still natural. It is still very short. So on February 14th, on Valentine's Day, I cut all of my hair off again, and we're just starting over because I had color damage and my hair texture was very, like, it wasn't what it used to be anymore. So I had to cut it all off. Well, I didn't have to, but I decided to cut it all off and start over. I didn't cut it as short as the first time, but I did cut it to where it made a difference. I'm not cutting my hair anymore. At least I don't plan on it. this is my eyebrows. This is the finished product. We're gonna move on to my eyes. I'm going for like a natural look tonight. Nothing too dramatic, just something neutral. We could talk about the things that I am excited for, upcoming things. So right now I'm like super excited about school. The fall semester is coming up. School starts on the 25th or the 26th of August, something in that area. And I'm super excited. This is my junior year of college. So it's exciting. Like, I'm almost done with college. So right now I'm just priming my eyelids. I'm putting concealer on my eye. That way when I put the color, it shows. And I feel like when you put concealer on your eye, it seems like you're starting on like a smooth canvas. So I'm putting concealer on my eyelids. So some other things I'm also excited about is that I brought a computer. I have been dying, well, not dying, but I've been needing a new computer like desperately. So I finally got a computer, so that's super exciting. I'm gonna have a job, a new job, so that's also super duper exciting. Like, I can't wait to start working. I just love the idea of going to work, making money. So that's exciting. So right now I'm gonna be taking this shade called Nocturnal, and it's a matte color, and I'm gonna be putting it on the lid of my eye to kind of set the concealer. That way when I put the eyeshadow, it's not sticky. I'm gonna go in with the brown shade, and we're just gonna go into the crease. So recently, for the 4th of July, we took a family trip to Destin, Florida, and that was pretty lit. It was dope. We went to the beach. We did some zip lining. We seen some dolphins. So that was pretty dope. So I kind of just took the brown and put it in the crease, and we have some dark looking eyes right now. So we're gonna go in the Morphe 15S palette. So for my eyelid, I'm gonna take, this is my concealer eyelid brush, and I'm gonna put I'm gonna conceal where I want the shimmer to be. We're gonna go with the light shimmer because I don't even know what I'm wearing. What I be strong, you did me wrong. All right, so we just went in with some shimmers, little dipping and dabbing and boop, 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 you know what I'm saying? So we're gonna go back in with the brown brush and blend out.
Baby, you were more than just a friend, and if I in love, that's why I don't be finished doing what I need to do.
So, to clean up under my eye and also the makeup off my hand, I just take a clean towel and I put microcellar water on it. And first we're gonna clean up under the eye because, I don't know, we're gonna put some eyeliner on. We're gonna put like a very minimal. I don't think I'm gonna do a wing. I think I just wanna have eyeliner on just to have it. Like, I don't know nothing about doing makeup really. I just know the bare minimum. It don't even look like I need any the rest of my face on tonight. I don't know why my eyes look so big right now. Goodness. I don't know why I'm looking like this.
Your love is a 1 in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good all day long.
Y'all see this? Period. Okay? Lashes make a difference, people. Like, I don't care what nobody say. Lashes make a difference. So, since I'm going to church, and I'm probably gonna be crying, I'm not going for a heavy look. So, I go in with a BB cream from Neutrogena, in the shade light to medium 30. It is a complexion perfector. I've been having this for a very long time. I don't even know if they sell it in stores anymore. I hope they do, because when I run out, I'm really gonna want this again, because of the fact that this product contains okay, I don't know if I'm saying it right, but some type of acid that I know is good to clear breakouts. Okay, I don't even know how you say the word. Y'all, somebody in the comments, please put down the pronunciation of the word. So I'm gonna take my foundation / spreader brush and apply it on my face. Okay. Okay, and all it does is provide a light coverage of blemishes. Like, it's not intended to cover every single blemish on my face. Make sure you blend your neck out, okay? So I'm taking the e.l.f. cream contour palette. I think I might have stole this from one of my friends. I don't even know. I've been having it for a long time now. So I go in with the brown, and we just going snatched, y'all. Next, we're gonna go in with my face brush and my True Match powder, my True Match foundation powder by L'Oreal, and we're gonna go in in the color Warm. So we're just gonna go in and apply it all over the face. Okay, I'm going in with the CoverGirl something cheekbone, but we're gonna go in with the darkest pink possible. And we're gonna smile. And we're gonna dibble and dab. You feel me? Oh, I'm gonna go in my lip liner and line my lips. My Beauty Supply lip gloss. So I did a little dibble and dab. Yeah. So I have an outfit. I don't know the outfit that I have on now. It's not really an outfit. It's just a dress. And I don't really know if I'm going to wear it or not. But I'm going to show you guys what it looks like, because this is a get ready with me. So I really want a simple black dress. I really want something that's going to go with the headscarf. I don't know if I'm wearing flats or heels tonight. So I knew I was going to do it. I ended up changing my outfit to something more simple. So I ended up putting jeans on and a black t-shirt. So yeah, this is gonna be the look for church.